This is ConstructIT, which is an app for recording, visualizing, and predicting construction sales and costs. This is the interface of the ConstructIT AI tool. You can see there's a sign up button here, and you have options for individual, small company, or large company. You put your company name in and an email address, choose a username, and enter a password, and then go to the sign up process. And then you're taken to a Stripe checkout screen where you enter in your credit card information. And this is for a 3-day free trial period. After that is $140 per month for a small company. You go through and you enter your details, start trial. Then you can log in. Login was successful. And you see all the data populated for that organization. And everybody you invite to your organization will be able to see the data as well. And it's a table of multiple pages. And you can edit the table. You can go in and edit individual values. And the charts update dynamically when you edit the values. You can download a CSV of the data and work with it in Excel. You can add a new project to the database. It has project name, project type, square feet, materials cost, labor cost. Start date, there's a date selector for it. Same for end date. Overall cost is calculated automatically based on materials and labor cost. And you put a sales price in and click submit, and it gets added to the table. This is the AI assistant, where you can ask questions in natural language, and it'll give you complex answers to complex questions. Here you can say list the projects with their ROI in increasing order. And it gives all the projects. The Templeton had 100% ROI, Towers by the Bay had 104, all the way up to the Nexus, which had 123%. Now it's saying forecast sales for each month in the next year, and it gives a sale estimate for each month in each period of time given the sales in the past. Now it's saying predict days to completion for a 50,000 square feet project. And it says 100 days. Here's the sales and cost data over time, a visualization of the sales and cost data through time. And this is where you can predict the labor and material costs. You enter in the square footage and you can predict both labor and material costs given what the model knows about your labor and material costs in the past. And you can also predict time to completion given the historical data from the database. This is the menu where it has the company name, the plan you're subscribed to, the username, email, and the user role. There's an admin panel when you're the admin of the organization, and you can make members, admins, or users and invite new members to the organization. And that sends an invite email to that email address, and they get a link that they can sign up and be a member of the organization without purchasing anything. And here you can cancel your subscription. Subscription's canceled successfully, and it logs you out so that when you log back in, You can log back in, but you don't have access to your data anymore. The plan is noted as disabled. You can upgrade the plan back to a small company. Upgrade was successful, plan to small company, and when you refresh the page, it'll bring all the data back. You can also log out of the program when you're finished at a session, or if you're at a public computer and you're logged in, you want to log out before you're finished. So that was ConstructIT, an app for predicting sales and costs in construction management.